the 12-minute affiliate system review. This is a ClickBank product you might have found in your inbox and wondered what it's all about, if it's worth the money or not. And I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by this one. So what is the 12-minute affiliate system? Again, it's a ClickBank product. It's teaching you how to sell affiliate products by showing you how to get the right offer, setting up your autoresponder, and then driving traffic to the offer. The creator is Devon Brown, and unlike a lot of ClickBank products that I review, this is a real person. Here he is right here, Devon Brown, and I've known of him for years. I think I learned of him way back when I was studying with Dagan Smith, but he is the real deal. And this guy has more energy than anybody that I've met. He's really, he's the real deal. He knows what he's talking about. So let's see here. What you're going to do when you go to buy this product is you're going to actually first go to a webinar. And I'm just going to summarize what the webinar is about, and then I'll show you the back office. But first thing he talks about is the easiest way to make money online is with affiliate marketing. And then he talks about the only 3 things that you need to make money online are traffic, autoresponder, and stuff to sell. And the biggest problem that people have is that they don't have success is implementation. And so he has inside the system a way that you can get it done for you. And so that would solve that obstacle right there if you can't figure out how to set things up. And how to start seeing results as early as this week. That's what he's going to show you in the webinar. And it's a good webinar. Actually, when I clicked on the webinar, it took me to like halfway through it or something, but I felt like it was a good webinar. And like I said, he's got so much energy. It's just really good to listen to. And the cost is, for the test drive, is $9.95 for 14 days. And then after that, it's $47 a month. And there's a lot of upsells. Let me show you here. Well, not a lot, but there's different levels. So if you want one niche, you're going to pay the $9.95 a month and then the $47 a month after that. And then there's one upsell that's going to help you 3 times your results. Blueprint, that's $39. And then $67 is going to be the done for you setup. Like, it's a one-time fee if you want them to set up the whole system for you and you don't want to mess around with setting up the autoresponder and everything. And then there's other upsells where you get 3 niches, and that's going to be $97 a month. And then if you want, they have the option to do it with lifetime access, so you don't have to pay the $97 a month. So for the one niche, it's going to be $397 one time, then you don't pay the monthly. And then for the 3 niches, did I say one niche? One niche, $397, and 3 niches is $797. So you won't have to pay the $97 every month if you don't want to. So those are the upsells. Before we get into the pros and cons, let me show you the back office here. So the first page you'll come to is getting started, and so you have all these steps right here. And if you click on this, it'll take you to each one of these has a video on exactly how to do that step. Okay, so this is really easy to go through. So you're going to choose your niche, and he talked about in the webinar that the most profitable niches are going to be your personal development, health, and then make money online. So those are the 3 that you'll pick from. And then you're going to create a ClickBank account. I believe this is right, ClickBank account, because you're going to use ClickBank, but they show you how to use different affiliate programs. So you don't just have to use ClickBank, but you can if you want. And then you're going to set up your autoresponder. So that's going to be Aweber, is what they use in here. But I see under the frequently asked questions that you can integrate GetResponse and MailChimp, because I was concerned about that. And then setting up your autoresponder, then activating your 12-minute affiliate funnels. There's a video on how to do that. And then the last thing is the done for you traffic, which is going to be solo ads. So basically you're just going to click on over here. I'll show you after you get this set up, and just click on it to get your traffic. So that's the first thing, is you go through the checklist, and then he's got like a step-by-step here of how to succeed with it. of course, do your quick start checklist, order your traffic, and join the Insiders Facebook group. And I just clicked on this, so I'm not approved yet, but it looks like they have a good Facebook group here. There's 226 members, and there was 3 posts today, so it looks like it is active. And of course, he's in there as well, Yvonne. And then I'm partaking in all opportunities for training. Once you go through the quick start guide, make sure you do your custom funnel builder. Email your list affiliate products regularly. And I'll show you in here, he does have some email swipes to do for broadcast messages. And you can get one-on-one coaching, 3 one-hour sessions. And I think that was like $290, let me see, I think it was $297. Oops, one time. That's in here somewhere else. Be patient and consistent. Ask us. Enter a support ticket here, or they have a phone number. So I thought that was really good. And interestingly enough, I just bought this yesterday or the day before, and I got a call today from someone that, it was just a voicemail, someone at his office, seeing if I had any questions and wanted to make sure that I got plugged into the Facebook group. So they do have good support. And it looks like you get a free vacation. Be all in. Okay. So then coaching, you can get one-on-one coaching. So that'll be, yes, $297 for 3 one-hour coaching sessions. Just if you need a little bit more help, that is available. And then of course you can upgrade the account to what we talked about before, was the lifetime memberships if you don't want to pay the monthly. And then you're going to have your done for you traffic. So again, this is solo ads. So you just basically click on here and you're buying clicks, not opt-ins. So it is solo ads, and they don't guarantee anything, of course. Traffic starts 7 to 14 days, often much faster than that. Your traffic may start and then stop and start back up again. And then you can order as much traffic as you want, as often as you want. Then he has other traffic methods. These are all free traffic. So it would be things like blogging, YouTube, forum marketing. So that's available if you don't have the budget for the solo ads. And then they do have the done for you. I think this is done for you. I'm not sure what this is. Okay. Education Center. So he does have ongoing team webinars, because I was wondering what the monthly was for, but you're going to get ongoing training. That's what you're paying monthly, and obviously to use the software, the funnel builders, and how all this fits together. And then you've got the email swipes in each niche. So you get the make money online, the fitness, weight loss, and then personal development niche. So he's got email swipes that you can send out to your list. Not just the autoresponder follow-up series, but the broadcast messages. And then you're going to be able to track. And again, you can use MailChimp and GetResponse. So I was happy to see that there. And then he's got a personal development library, so you can download these as PDFs or as an MP3 and listen to them. So there's a lot of different categories here on different things with personal development. There's quite a few here. I thought that was good. And then top affiliate products, these are going to be the ones that they recommend that you promote that are high converting. So you got your home business, of course it's going to be the Bowman Affiliate, John Crestani's Super Affiliate, Six Figure Success Academy. These give you all really good commissions. And then the weight loss products are in here as well. Lean Belly Breakthrough, personal development products. There's quite a few in there. And then, and I like this, they had frequently asked questions, so you can get a lot of your questions answered that you may have here, and that's where I found out you can use okay, so can I use a different autoresponder? Not right now. We're currently working on integrating other autoresponders, so if that's not currently there, it looks like they're going to be adding GetResponse and MailChimp. And then you can promote other ClickBank, or you can promote other affiliate products. It doesn't just have to be ClickBank. It could be JVZoo or any other affiliate product, because you're going to get the lead capture page, you're going to hook it up to your autoresponder, but then you can just plug in your affiliate link in there rather than the ClickBank affiliate link. So there's a lot of good questions that are answered in the frequently asked questions. So that's basically it. It's done for you. There is in here somewhere though, it was the $67 where you can have all of this set up for you, so you don't have to, actually I think we went through that. Yeah, done for you. Right here, if you don't want to go through all of this, which it isn't hard, but some people just don't want to do that, and then you can have it. Some people do better if they're looking at instructions rather than watching a video, so it is written instructions there as well. So that's basically it. I would say the pros, low cost trial, of course money back guarantee. I think it's good for beginners that are just starting out, so you don't have to figure things out on your own. It's just step by step, and you can use the funnels and system to promote any affiliate product, not just ClickBank. There's one-on-one coaching, and I think it's a low price, $297 for 3 hours. I'm assuming it's with Devon, and they offer setup for you if you're technically challenged. And then there's a personal development library, I thought was another pro. And then the Facebook group for support, and it looks like they have a phone number as well. So that's good that they have that kind of support. You don't just turn in a support ticket and wait. You can actually call them. I couldn't find too many cons with this product, but I do feel that in a lot of products, they do not have you set goals at the very beginning. Now, I've been through 2 0 to 10K challenge programs, and the very first thing we do is write down a goal, and we put it on a goal card, because you have to give your mind something to strive for, because if you don't, you're likely not going to get there. And people think that this is not a big deal, but it is the fundamental part of how you achieve goals in any program that you do. So I felt like that should be number one. The ongoing training is the $47 a month. So if you don't want to pay the a residual, and you just want to purchase a product, then you're going to have to pay every month for this. Uses Aweber. Currently, I'm not sure if they have the other two that you can use, but personally, I was with another affiliate program, and I guess it was because we used the share code, so all the autoresponder follow-up messages were the same, and they started blocking our links. So then we had to move to GetResponse. So I would say even if they do have where you can, and I'm sure he does, where you use a share code and upload follow-up messages, change them up so they're not all the same as someone else's, and so that your links start getting blocked. And systems like this, it's just done for you. You have to have somewhere that you can graduate and learn more skills so that you're not dependent on the system, but just be able to continue to increase your knowledge, which I think is in the ongoing trainings, the team trainings, so that is good. But there wasn't, like I said, too many cons that I could find with it. And I was going to mention, as far as goal setting, I'm going to leave this link in the description below the video. But I have this blog post that I talked about secrets to success, because a lot of people join programs like this and they just kind of jump around from one program to another, and they don't really ever have success. I know someone who has been trying this for 20 years. He said he hasn't made $1. So, something's wrong there, because there's other people making money. So it has to do with, I believe, the goals that you set and how you do things inside your mind. So I have this blog post if you want to take a look. This is everything that I do. And I talked about Paulo Barroso, who tried for 5 or 6 years and didn't make any money at all. And his mentor finally told him, it's not the program that you're joining, it's you. You have to do certain things with your mind. You have to set goals. And once he realized that, then now he makes 7 figures. And he did a lot of things with what I'm talking about on this blog post, The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. And then Bob Proctor, this is a 10-hour program on how to basically program your subconscious mind for success. And I recommend listening to it like 30 minutes a day. It's really changed my life. So I wanted to give you that, because I think it'll help you with this program or any program that you do.